Did you know that simply changing your environment can boost your focus by 30%? A study from the University of Chicago found that working in a space with natural elements like plants and sunlight significantly reduces distractions. This is because nature triggers the brain's relaxation response, enhancing concentration and productivity. Imagine transforming your workspace with a few plants or a window view. Not only does it make your space more inviting, but it also taps into your brain's natural ability to focus. Try it out and see how your productivity soars. Like, comment, and subscribe for more health insights.